Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this video, we shall be looking into linear function again. So we shall take a look into an example in linear function. So in this lecture, we shall use one variable for prediction. For example, we want to measure the growth of a plant. So we have temperature and plant growth rate as our independent and dependent variable respectively. So we shall use the formula f of x is equals to ax plus b. In short, y is equals to mx plus c. So f of x now. So let us say f of x is equals to 12x plus 5. F of x is equals to 12x plus 5. So in this lecture, we are saying that f of x or y, f of x represent the output or the prediction for the plant growth, and x the input. X represent the input, which is the temperature or our independent variable, while 12 represent the gradient or the slope, which outline the growth rate of the plant as the temperature increases. So as the temperature increases, also the growth rate also can be depicted. This 12 represent the steepness of the slope. It represents the steepness of the slope, while 5 represents the intercept, and it is a fixed value. So it is the value of the dependent variable when x is 0. The variable which is depending with the linear function or with all other input when x is 0. So what we can do, we need to at least plot a graph so that we can see visually what a linear graph look like. So I'll be doing that in our next video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.